She said, I'll love you till I die. He told her, you'll forget in time. As the years went slowly by, he still preyed upon her mind. She kept his picture on her wall and went half crazy now and then, but she still loved him through it all, hoping he'd come back again. She kept some letters by her bed, dated 1962. She had underlined in red every single I love you. I went to see her just today. Oh, but I didn't see no tears. All dressed up to go away. First time I'd seen her smile in years. She stopped loving him today. They placed a wreath upon her door, and soon they'll carry her away. She stopped loving him today. He came to see her one last time, and we all wondered if he would. And it kept running through my mind. This time she's over him for good. She stopped loving him today. They placed a wreath upon her door, and soon they'll carry her away. She stopped loving him today.